Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is my dog Honey. I wanted to add some milk thistle to her daily diet, but I was worried that if I did, she would refuse to eat her food. But since I've been adding this milk thistle from Pet Wellbeing, she hasn't stopped eating her food. She doesn't even seem to notice that it's there. The bottle comes with a dropper that has markings, so it's easy to see exactly how much you're adding to your dog's food. And Pet Wellbeing includes a guide so you know just by your dog's weight how much milk thistle to add. So the whole experience has been very simple for me. It's very easy to add it to Honey's food, and I know exactly how much to give her. And it hasn't been a guessing game because that little dropper has the markings right on it. So overall, Honey and I have been very happy with this product. I wanted to add milk thistle to her diet, but I didn't want her to stop eating, and I didn't want to add anything unnecessary. So the fact that it's glycerin-based and not alcohol-based is important to me. And the fact that it's from organically grown milk thistle is also a huge factor. Because it's so easy to administer, it's just a part of our everyday routine. So she's getting that milk thistle for her liver support, and she's not even complaining or doesn't even seem to notice. So overall, it's been an excellent product for us. I've been very happy with it, and Honey hasn't even noticed, so don't explain it to her. And that is my point of view.